Finally!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
it's an SVR.
North Central Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, east central Newton County, and southeastern Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Burr Ferry, or 9 miles west of Rosa Pine, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeRitter, Rosa Pine, Junction, and Evans. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I wasn't expecting this, Fury.